Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to send a direct message in X. Direct messaging allows you to connect and communicate with others privately. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of sending a direct message in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the envelope icon. Typically position it in the bottom drawer. Tap on it to access your messages. Step 3. Tap on the plus icon to start a new conversation. Select the account you want to send the message to by tapping on it. This will open a chat window. Step 4. Type in your message in the text input field. You can express your thoughts, share information, or engage in a conversation. Once you are ready, tap on the send button to deliver your message, and there you have it. You have successfully sent a direct message in X, allowing you to connect and communicate with others conveniently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more X tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and may your direct messaging experience in X be seamless and enjoyable.